ever worked really hard, but felt too scared to ask for more money?
Oh, definitely. My heart beats so fast just thinking about it.
It is terrifying, right? You know you deserve a raise, but the words get stuck.
Yes, I always worry my boss will get angry or even fire me.
And then you stay silent, feeling undervalued and tired every single day.
Exactly. You just accept the low pay, even though it feels deeply unfair.
Hello, lovely learner. Welcome back to Easy English Friends, where real life meets easy English.
Hi there. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy to relax and learn with you today.
Real life situations are always the scariest ones, honestly.
They really are. And asking for money is a very real and scary situation.
It is. I always feel like I am begging instead of discussing my true career.
Please do not panic if this topic makes you feel nervous today.
I am already sweating a little bit, just thinking about my boss.
Today, we will completely remove that heavy pressure so you can discuss your value confidently.
I really need this. I tried to practice asking for a raise yesterday, but I just froze.
By the end of this episode, you will get a perfect, respectful script to use.
That sounds amazing. I always thought asking for more money was somehow rude.
It is perfectly normal, and we will show you exactly how to do it.
I cannot wait to learn this step-by-step career kit right now.
Let us think about your salary like a beautiful garden.
A garden? How does a garden relate to my paycheck?
When you work hard every day, you are planting seeds.
I definitely plant a lot of seeds at my office.
But if you never ask for water, your plants cannot grow.
Oh, so asking for a raise is just asking for water.
Exactly. You are not begging or being greedy.
I am just helping my hard work bloom. That makes sense.
This small mindset shift changes everything. You are simply managing your career.
That removes all the shame. I really love this garden metaphor.
If that garden metaphor helped you today, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please like and subscribe so our cozy community can grow together.
It helps us make more relaxing videos for you every single week.
I feel so much calmer now. What is the very first step?
The first step is gathering your facts. You need a strong list.
A list? You mean a list of the extra work I do?
Yes, we call it a value sheet. It proves your worth.
But talking about my own success feels like bragging. It is uncomfortable.
It is never bragging if it is simply a true fact.
I guess you are right. I am just reporting the truth.
Exactly. You are helping your boss see the whole picture clearly.
I can definitely write down a list of my daily tasks.
Let us try a slow practice right now. Are you ready with your value sheet?
Yes, I have my list of extra tasks ready to go.
Perfect. I will be your manager, Mr. Smith.
Okay, I am walking into your office right now.
Good morning, Ben. What did you want to discuss today?
Hi, Mr. Smith. I want more money because I do much work.
Let us pause there. You were very direct, which is a brave start.
Was it too direct? It felt a little bit rude.
Yes, saying I want more money can sound a bit aggressive.
Oh no, I definitely do not want to sound aggressive.
Instead of demanding, we invite them to review your growth.
How do I invite them nicely?
You can gently say, I would love to discuss my compensation.
I would love to discuss my compensation. That sounds very professional.
It truly does. Compensation is a polite word for salary and benefits.
I like that word. Let me try the opening again.
Go ahead. I am listening closely, Ben.
Hi, Mr. Smith. I would love to discuss my compensation today.
Excellent. Now, let us move to the second step.
Right. Now I need to show my value sheet.
Exactly. How will you introduce your recent successes?
I will say, look at this paper. I am doing very good.
Let us stop again. You are showing great confidence, which I love.
But my grammar was wrong, wasn't it?
Just a little bit. We want to sound helpful, not boastful.
Aha! How do I sound helpful and polite?
Let us change I am doing very good.
What should I say instead?
Try saying, I have taken on extra responsibilities recently.
I have taken on extra responsibilities recently. That is much better.
Great job. Then you can share one specific fact from your list.
Like, I trained the 3 new team members last month.
Spot on. You are using facts, not just opinions.
Facts feel much safer to talk about.
They really do. Let us combine those 2 sentences now.
I have taken on extra responsibilities recently. I trained the 3 new team members.
That was perfect. You sound incredibly valuable and professional.
Wow, it really feels like a friendly discussion now.
Now for the final part. Actually asking for the number.
This is the scariest part. How do I ask for the money?
What would you naturally say then?
I would probably say, can you give me a raise of 10%?
That is an okay try, but it puts the manager on the spot.
Ah, I do not want to make my boss uncomfortable.
Instead of asking a yes or no question, we suggest an adjustment.
An adjustment? That sounds very smooth.
Yes. Say, I am hoping we can adjust my salary to reflect this.
I am hoping we can adjust my salary to reflect this.
Perfect. And then you state your expected range.
Like, I am looking at a range of 60 to 65,000.
Exactly. Always use a range, not just one fixed number.
Giving a range gives them options. That is very smart.
It is normal to feel nervous, but preparation kills the fear.
That is so true. I am replacing my fear with facts.
You did amazingly well today. Your manager will be very impressed.
I really hope so. I feel so prepared to talk to my boss now.
We just learned how to use facts to ask for a salary adjustment.
It feels so much better than just demanding more cash.
Now it is time to look at your personal work. Ben,
Oh boy. I brought a sentence I wrote yesterday.
read it out loud for me, please.
I do much things good, so give me raise.
I love how clear your goal is, but we can make it smoother.
How do I fix the grammar?
Instead of much things good, we say many good things.
Ah, I do many good things. That sounds much better.
And instead of give me a raise, try I deserve a raise.
I do many good things, so I deserve a raise.
Great job. Now let us practice the rhythm of the word deserve.
Deserve. It feels a bit heavy in my mouth.
Make the second part stronger, like deserve.
Deserve. I deserve a raise.
Beautiful. Your voice sounded so strong and confident.
It is funny how a small pronunciation change makes me feel brave.
That is the magic of rhythm. Let us move into our word shifts today.
I love this part. I am ready to write them down.
Our first word is compensation. It means your pay and benefits.
Like money and health insurance?
Exactly. First example, the job offers great compensation and paid time off.
And what is the deep emotional example?
Respect is the best compensation for a hard day of work.
Wow, that is incredibly true.
Repeat. Compensation.
Compensation.
The second word is adjust. It means to change slightly.
I use that word when I fix my car mirrors.
Perfect. Everyday example. Please adjust the air conditioner. It is too cold.
And the deeper meaning?
It takes time to adjust your mindset after a big failure.
I definitely need time to adjust when I make mistakes.
Repeat. Adjust.
Adjust.
Our last word is reflect. It means to show or think deeply.
Like a mirror reflects my face.
Yes. Practical example. Your salary should reflect your hard work.
That is the whole point of today's lesson.
Exactly. Psychological example. Take a quiet moment to reflect on your daily choices.
Reflecting quietly always helps me calm down.
Repeat. Reflect.
Reflect.
You did a wonderful job mastering these tricky words today.
I really feel like my vocabulary is growing so fast.
Let us test your new confidence, Ben. Are you ready for a surprise challenge?
A surprise? Okay, hit me with a brand new scenario.
You are not asking for a raise this time. You are asking for a promotion.
Oh, wow. A promotion feels even bigger. I am ready to try.
You are at your yearly review. Ben, where do you see your career going?
I want to keep taking on leadership roles. I managed the new software project.
You did a fantastic job with that software.
Thank you. I am hoping we can adjust my job title to reflect this work.
Perfect. You used the exact same structure for a totally different goal.
I used my facts and suggested an adjustment. It felt incredibly natural.
This toolkit works for almost any career conversation. So, how will you actually use this?
I am going to schedule a real meeting with my manager on Friday.
That is a huge step forward. How exactly will you prepare for it?
I am writing my value sheet tonight. I will list all my recent team projects.
Will you practice saying the words out loud? That is very important.
Definitely. I will practice in front of my bathroom mirror until it feels normal.
I am so proud of you, Ben. You are taking real control of your career.
Thank you, Emma. I finally believe that I truly deserve this positive adjustment.
Now it is time for our lovely listener to take action, too.
Yes. We really want to hear from our cozy community right now.
Tell us in the comments below, what is one specific achievement on your value sheet?
Think about one extra task you did well. Write it down below.
Sharing it with us makes it a real fact. Do not be shy.
Even a very small win is worth celebrating together. We cannot wait to read them.
We read every single comment because your career progress truly matters to us.
It really does. Your success is our success in this cozy space.
You have learned such a brave and powerful skill today.
I feel like a completely different and confident professional right now.
Please always remember that your daily hard work has incredible value.
I will never forget that beautiful garden metaphor from today.
Keep watering your beautiful career and never be afraid to watch it bloom.
I am going to step into my office with a huge, proud smile tomorrow.
We are cheering for you all the way. Until next time, I am Emma.
And I am Ben.
Thank you for growing with Easy English Friends today. Always know your true worth.
And never be afraid to ask for the water you deserve.
Goodbye.